Hi, I'm Ankor Rai. I'm the CEO at Straive, where we are helping our clients operationalize data analytics and AI to deliver what we call the trifecta, the triple E impact: efficiency, cost reduction, experience for the end customers, which is more speed and really more effective revenue generation. I think Straive brings together two divergent capabilities that are critical to create impact for an enterprise today. First, AI at the center of everything we do, because we think data analytics and AI are the most critical enablers for any enterprise initiative. And second, the maturity and experience to know that AI alone is not a magic bullet. Iterative work in the trenches across bringing data together, creating insight, building advanced analytics models, injecting that into workflows, having operations aligned with those AI models is critical to actually deliver the impact. We were working with the HR team at one of our CPG clients. They had a very simple problem. Every time someone wanted any HR data, they had to go to a help desk which had to pull that data across multiple different databases. We created a beautiful AI solution that allowed answers to any business partner by simply asking a question. That was not enough because no one actually used the model. We had to spend a lot of time with the users understanding what gaps they perceived in the answers they got from the AI model. And this was very iterative. Second, people did not trust the AI because they did not understand how the AI had answered them. We built a small function that allowed the user to see the top 3 queries that the AI had interpreted and which one it had answered. That increased the trust further. And that's what we think Straive is about. Build the AI model, but iteratively work across the value chain to ensure that model actually gets adopted and delivers the impact. Clients don't really care about data analytics or AI. They care about 3 outcomes. They either want to reduce cost, which we call efficiency. They want to improve the speed of their workflows, which delivers a better experience to their end customers, or they want to improve the effectiveness of their revenue generation, which might mean improving share of wallet or bringing products faster to the market. Any one of these 3 outcomes can only be delivered by effectively using data analytics and AI today. We believe over 70 to 80% of investments in data analytics and AI are going to underdeliver. And they're not going to underdeliver because you didn't have the correct infrastructure, or you didn't have the perfect AI model, or you didn't have the best data scientists. They're going to underdeliver or fail because what you built never got adopted by the end user or never actually got injected into the workflow. Therefore, you need a data analytics and AI operationalization company. You need a company that not just cleans the data, builds the insight, builds the AI model, but ensures it gets operationalized to deliver the impact. We were working with the supply chain function of one of our manufacturing clients. They had a network of warehouses, and so they had trucks that moved from warehouse to warehouse. Their problem was less than truckload utilization, which in simple words means every truck was not filled to capacity. We came in to help them build a better algorithm for fleet utilization or truck utilization. We worked and built a model that showed them what the truck utilization needed to be. And the warehouse managers refused to use the model because they believed their rules about doing this were better than any model. Our teams then spent daily calls in the morning when the warehouse managers finalized their truck schedule. They used the algorithm and allowed the warehouse managers to correct it and to make changes to that. Over time, this built belief in the model, and as a result, it was finally adopted. There are numerous reasons why investments in data analytics and AI under-deliver or fail. The first is user adoption. You can build the best AI model or the best analytics insight, but if users don't believe in it and don't use it, it's not going to achieve its outcome. The second is what we call the 80-20 rule. This typically comes into play when we are trying to transform a legacy operation. In that case, what I would call the temptation to build an data analytics and AI solution to solve 100% of the problem. We break up the operation into small use cases and actually build an AI solution for only 20% of the volume first. That ensures that we're not dealing with edge cases. We're able to prove the efficacy of the solution and then scale it up. And the third one, we're seeing a lot of this with the Gen AI hype, what we call science experiments or prototypes without a business case. Several times, businesses have ideas of how they can leverage AI to improve their workflows, but the prototype is built and there's never any thought to how it would actually get operationalized and deliver the end impact, which could be speed or efficiency or increase in revenue generation. And as a result, you spend hundreds of thousands of dollars building the prototype, but there is no future path to it. In my mind, 3 reasons why clients choose Straive. First, it starts with our accelerators. So when clients have a problem, we have accelerators that can help them envision what a solution could look like. We were working with one of our asset management clients, and they wanted to personalize their engagement with portfolio advisors. These are people who make decisions on allocating funds to the asset manager. We, in 72 hours, built a solution that used the digital exhaust from portfolio managers. In simple English, it used the data that portfolio managers generated when they visited the asset manager's website or CRMs or engaged with emails. And we built behavioral tags for the interests of that portfolio manager. Then we used AI to actually personalize the more generalized collateral, which was in the term of research papers or videos that tailored it to the profile of each individual portfolio advisor. And very, very quickly in 72 hours, we were able to showcase this as an example of what the end product of personalization could be. Second is our multidisciplinary talent. After we show the solution, we have a full stack talent capability that can help the client take the solution from design to development to deployment and then run it. So we're a one-stop shop in that case. And lastly, it's our methodology. Our methodology where our work doesn't stop at building a data warehouse or an AI model, but we take it to the end, including work with the end users to make sure that what we build actually gets deployed.